This is Amy. We met, we fell in love, now we're having a baby. But there's some certain things that pregnant moms shouldn't do because there's risks of causing miscarriages. And one of the things Amy hasn't done is eat any deli meat or smoked salmon or foods that are refrigerated, ready to eat like that. They can carry a bug called Listeria monocytogenes, and you may have heard that there's an outbreak going on in Canada in which I think it's up to 19 people confirmed and suspected dead now. There's some serious questions that need to be raised about this. First, how much information were pregnant women receiving? There was information on websites, but does that get out to the general population? Probably not. What about nursing homes that were serving these products, which is where many of these people died? Again, government advice is don't eat this stuff, or maybe you should avoid. People who work in nursing homes say, we've never heard that. So there needs to be a real strong effort, much more aggressive, to get information out there. Second, what did health officials know and when? The first death was in June. We're now into September, and people are still dying and getting sick. Health officials have yet to provide a timeline of this is who got sick when. They say that their system worked, but that's impossible to judge because people like us, mere mortals who are just looking at information, can't tell. When did people get sick? When were tests done? When was the public advised? And there's a lot of holes. Finally, Michael McCain, the president of Maple Leaf Foods, which is where these products have been provided, he says that the buck stops with him and he's responsible. Well, and they also say that they go far beyond government regulations and do up to 3,000 extra tests a year to look for Listeria, and I believe they do. But in the interest of public health, release that data. Make that data public to provide confidence to Canadians and others that the foods that their families eat are safe to eat.